Hello guys, shout out to all viewers, to all my followers. This vlog is we're going to view and witness for V22 Osprey just arrived today, and it's a pleasure to witness. They give us chance to watch, of course, with our students, different schools here in Chuuk. So again, thank you very much, USA, military, Marines, Airforce, for giving us this chance. We have here again our students. They're excited to view. Right, so thank you very much, sir. So friendly pilot, and some of them pilot mechanics. Wow. So students are very happy. So thank you for this opportunity again. It's a good motivation for our students. They can now see the reality. Some of our students wants to become pilot, military, and it's a good time to learn. Alright. Wow. Alright, so they're giving us a chance to see what is inside of this V22 Osprey. Wow, look at that. Unique design. Actually, this is really special aircraft. So look at that, how what's this? Wow, so excited. Number 06 Marines VMM 268. So here we go. Actually, some of our students passed the exam. US was that military exam. So it's now their moment to witness a partial learning. So this is also my first time to see this kind of aircraft, this V22 Osprey. Actually, I tried to search Osprey, and this is a common English name, is from the old French Osprey, which derives from Latin avis, prey, meaning bird of prey. Avis prey is a generic term for any raptor, and apparently became associated with ospreys in Old French, based on the similarity of its sound to ossifrage Latin bone breaker.
Can I ask one question? Are we gonna go help Ukraine?
Ukraine's getting some different type of help. We're not helping Ukraine. We're going to do a different mission. Lovey.
I can help with the feeding.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. Only we don't have see you guys. See So we are assault support aircraft. We move troops around. That's our job.
So here we go.
Anything that they would need to survive. So
And I like this little boy here. I was amazed because he's
anytime
Christian.
even humanitarian
Asking
assistance.
if-
So say there's a catastrophic issue, like Puerto Rico is one of the big ones, big islands that gets messed up on the states.
Are you willing, or are they willing to help
water,
Ukraine?
anything they would need to assist them. that kind of thing.
So
So you fly.
it's
I
good
ride the back.
that our officer also here
The two that were up there originally
gave
may still be
him
up there. They're pilots.
Okay, so I'm from a small town in Wisconsin.
exact
They
answer
never in states.
that
I get to play back here.
satisfies,
My playland.
of course,
I would have never thought I'd
this
No, we're
boy.
not allowed. Unfortunately.
So he's explaining here
So we have specific groups in line.
the mission or this activity or this aircraft,
You passed, right? So you're excited, huh?
our student, some of our students, and one here
So there's different scores that you have
asking for
that'll determine what you can do.
very interesting Christian. This is planning to become a soldier. So it's a great opportunity.
Boy, ali, boy. Picture is up.
I asked also one of the students to take picture with me. Of course, to these 422 V22 Osprey and one also C-130, one C-130. Thank you again to the USA for always there, willing to help and of course do the humanitarian, especially to affected areas, countries. This aircraft is number 06. Wow. So our student, yep, some of them, that's very clear there. Rescue means to help, willing and always ready to help.
Are the pilots?
So since World War II,
I know them, gosh, there are the pilots.
military, USA military, they're really willing to help. Okay, so again, thank you very much, guys, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. So that's the shape of this V22 Osprey. Okay, thank you, sir. It's a very beautiful experience with our students. So here we go. Chuuk Academy students are now excited. I know some of them.
Saram! You're excited? Woo! Joy, that's joy.
Yep.
Alright, your turn.
Wait. What's up, Mr. Chuuk Academy? Let's go!
What school? Oh, Beria. From Beria. They're also excited to witness our aircrafts from USA. Alright, it's good. Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir. Thank you for this opportunity.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me here.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. you. Nice meeting you. Alright. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go, let's go. Sabi, Max. Saan po?
Teacher Novo. You will take a picture of me with my students.
Okay, okay. Go.
Bye-bye for now, guys. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.